Hi, my name is Ted with Legacy Brand Leather. You might remember me from such leather tutorials as Leather, I Hardly Know Her, or Make a Shoe, Bless You, or Close Encounters of the 3-Ounce Hide. A while back I had someone ask me, hey, what's your process, or what does your day or week look like? And I said, how'd you get into my apartment? Anyways, I'm going to take you through my week now. Let's get to it. Every day starts just about the same in front of the computer with a cup of coffee. I'll check the day's current order log and print off any order packing slips, and then move on to answering any pending emails. This week I'm doing a special project with Tandy, but more on that in another video. However, you will see my visit to a local Tandy later in this video. Then I'll head to the workbench and either pick up where I left off on a previous order, like this wholesale order for some Mendoza EDC leather coin slips, or start on the day's pending orders. Besides the coin slips, today I'm working on a Wordsmith notebook in black harness, a leather valet tray in buck brown harness, and then shipping out a few other orders with some existing stock. For the most part, everything is made to order. However, if something is a regular seller, I will craft a small batch so I have more inventory on hand so I can later quickly pack and ship. In my experience, I don't like doing the extra work and having inventory sit around for long periods of time, mainly since that will take up space, or the unfortunate occurrence that the item never sells at all and I eventually have to throw a heavy discount on it and try to get rid of it. A while ago, I decided to custom tailor my packaging for each individual item with some black craft paper and affix a wax seal embossed with my logo. I just think it looks super classy and mysterious when you're getting that in the mail. The other items I'm shipping are a brown square Mendoza EDC coin slip and a vertical flap wallet in brown harness leather. I've learned that keeping your packaging organized from the get-go helps prevent any cross-packaged orders. So I started labeling my envelopes with an order number, customer name, and the final weight before I ship each item. That way, when I'm wrapping an item, it heads directly into the designated envelope before being weighed for shipment. All of my items get the same black craft paper and wax seal treatment. Then I throw in some extra goodies, sticker, card, leather care card, and it's all ready to ship. Then I'm back to work on some more of those coin slips before I head to the post office to drop off these orders. Now I'm on my way to the post office. The next day, I headed down to my local Tandy to pick up some supplies for an upcoming sponsored project. Now, this is not an average week for me, this is just what I had going on this week. When I head down that way, I like to visit my buddy Brian's coffee shop, Bad Coffee. If you're in the Costa Mesa, Huntington Beach area, give them a visit. They sling some great coffee despite the name. Well, got my iced Americano because it's hot out, and now I'm headed to Tandy. I only snagged a couple clips inside the Tandy store since I was more focused on grabbing supplies, but the staff is incredibly helpful and knowledgeable. So if you're looking for supplies or insight on your next leather project, definitely give them a visit. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video and if you want to see more like it. I'm on Instagram at legacybrandleather. Go ahead and give me a follow there. I post product photos, process photos, and general rugged vibes. Head to my online store, legacybrandleather.com, if you want to check out some of my leather goods. If you want to support my channel, head to my Patreon at patreon.com/legacybrandleather. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up below and please subscribe. That shows me that you want to see more videos and more content like this. I will see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.